Here are the most important price ranges right now. Bullish positions, especially those taken in the last 4 to 6 weeks, would be especially interested to see whether price can clear the 20 boundary within about the next 5 to 8 trading days, for another attempt to clear over the 24 area, where resistance potential is still quite strong. So if price isn't consistently closing in the 20s by the end of next week, short to medium term confidence can be lost, and an approximate downswing like this can take place, where even a strong drop would likely pause at the solid 15 level and this incline from the lower Fibonacci fan line. This would define the upper boundary of the neckline area, which is much wider than usual for ordinary head and shoulders pattern, since this also connects to the area where price gapped up. Then remember, next week is the beginning of the Keltner channel indicator series, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, here's an updated look at Bitcoin price chart, where even just a few more consecutive closes over 66,700 can improve conditions for another acceleration, this time towards 75,500, to create a similar situation to before, where these extension levels could be out of reach if there's a delay to keep closing higher for about 2 weeks. Potentially then leading to a correction approximating the spiral. And the larger uptrend could still be intact even in the face of retracements, as long as price continues to close in the 60,000s or higher.